Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Tiara. Okay, today I will explain my answer about this topic. Number one is about international study. Okay, uh, this is reading, going abroad to study. Is number one. Personal information often appears on documents, especially official documents. Use the ideas in the books to say what personal information is on. Okay, in this, a birth certificate. Uh, in a birth certificate is name, date of birth, parents' name, place of birth. In a driving license. In a driving license is name, date of, date of birth, address, and driver number. In this bank statement is name, address, and account number. And this an exam certificate is name, grades, name of school or university. Okay. Number two. Simon Elliot lived in Geneva, Switzerland. He is returning to the UK to study. Answer the questions. Label the document which is okay. And this is a passport and informal letter, a formal letter, and an application form. Okay, this is a formal letter. Formal letter. Why? Because the acceptance letter from the University of London or next B in B. This is an application letter. Why this is an application letter? Because uh, an application form for accommodation. Okay. And this is an informal letter. Why? The email Simon to send to John. And this is passport. Passport is Simon's personal data. Okay, number two. Where is Simon going? Where is Simon going? Simon going to University of West London at UK. Okay, and number three. What is he going to study? Simon is going to study for master's degree in applied biochemistry at the University of London. And number four, who is John? John is Simon's friend, and John is the recipient of an email from Simon. Okay. Number three, look at the application form. Look at the application form. What is it for? Okay. The application form, this is, the application form is for accommodation. This is Simon applying an application form for accommodation to get a host family while studying at the University of London. Okay, in uh, the questions number 4, read the documents on page 4. Use the use the information to complete the application form for Simon. Okay, this is family name is Elliot. First name is Simon. Male and singles. Children is no. Date birth is 22/10 89. Nationality is British citizen. Passport or ID number is 01122345 and 6. Home address is apartment 25, Lake Lemon Building, Geneva. Is country is Switzerland, and course title is MSc in Applied Biochemistry. In course card that is 10 in 10 month. Okay, and this type of accommodation is host family. Special diet is yes, and specific is vegetarian diet. Okay, how and why do you read? What do you read? The different read materials A to G that you read. Okay. I choose textbooks, novels, emails, search engine finds, and a dictionary. Okay. Which reading materials from exercise 5 do you read for pleasure, for work, and for your study materials? Okay. This is answer from number 5. I choose for pleasure. I choose novel. Novels is to provide entertainment and relaxation. Uh, Next, I choose emails. Some emails, such a personal message from friends can be enjoyable. Next, search engine finds. Reading a random interesting topic online can be fun. Okay, for work, I choose a report. These are often required for professional tests. Next, timetables. Important for scheduling and organizing work-related activities, and instruction manuals. Useful for understanding new tools or equipment at work. Okay. For study, I choose textbooks, essential for learning and understand academic subject. A journal for they provide in deep research and update knowledge. Next, I choose a dictionary. Dictionary useful for improving vocabulary and understanding technical terms. Okay, number 7. This question is read the handout for new students about reading. Answer the questions. Okay, The questions number 1 is which two ways of reading are the quite quickest? Why? Okay, this is the text. Okay, the quicks of reading are scanning and skimming. While scanning is used to swiftly locate specific information, and skimming is utilized utilized to gain a broad understanding of the materials. Okay, number 2. Which way would you read for enjoyment? For enjoyment is extensive reading. Is used for enjoyment. This type of reading is done for pleasure, extra research, or internet without focusing too much on details. Okay. Number 3. Which way of reading is the slowest? Slowest. In this, I choose intensive reading is the slowest. But why? It requires careful reaching to understand every detail, take notes, and highlight important points. Okay. Number 8. Number 8. Choose 5 example of reading materials from exercise 5 on page 5. Why and how do you read? Uh, this is okay. 5. In number 1, I choose a dictionary. Dictionary. Why? Why dictionary? To learn new vocabulary. And how? How? Scan for specific word and meanings. Number 2, I choose text. Why? Textbook is to study and understand new topics. And how? Textbooks. Uh, Read intensively and take notes. Okay. And number 3, I choose novels. Why? To increase knowledge of the story and how. Because read extensively and enjoy the story. And number 4, I choose emails. Why? Emails to receive important message and update. And how? Email is read carefully and scan for key details. Okay. And last one, I choose search engine finds. Why? Search engine finds ini to find really fun information quickly and how can for keywords and 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 read selectively. And okay, the questions number 9. Look back at exercise 2 and 4 on page 4 and 5. In which exercise did you skim and in which did you scan? Okay. Exercise 2 and 5 at 2 and 4. Sorry. 2 is about this and 4 this is okay. My answer in number 9 in exercise 2 is scan technique. Why? Scan the the document to find information about Simon Elliot, about his location, study plan, and name or personal data. Okay. In exercise 4 is skimming the application form to understand its purpose and general content. Okay. This about writing a host family. The title is a host family. Okay. Number 1. Imagine you are going abroad to do a short course and are going to live with a host family. What information would you give them and what information would you want about this? That's food and okay, information to give your host family. Number 1 is dates. That's your arrival and departure dates. Next is food. Your food preference or any allergy. Okay, and next is personal information. Your name, age, and habits, and a little background about yourself. Okay, next is transport. How you will get to your home and whether you need to be pick, pick up. Okay. And next, computer access. Computer access is whether you need internet or computer access for studying. And the last is hobbies. Your interests and activity to help you connect with a host family. Okay, in informant to ask your host family is their full address and any house rules you need to follow, meal times and family routines, and the last is public transport option near their home. Okay, it's number 2. Burku Sancak, a Turkish student, is writing to her host family. Read her email, tick the item from exercise 1 that mentioned. Okay, in this is accommodation message from from Burku Sanca, a Turkish student, and to a host family, her host family, uh, Mr. and Mrs. Baker. Okay, subject accommodation. Okay, and this send. Okay, dear Mr. and Mrs. Baker, I'm very happy to accept your offer or accommodation. This is okay. We need to tick the items mentioned in Bulku Sancak emails. Okay. Here are the items include her message. This that Burku mentioned when he course starts and when she will arrive in London. This is okay. Next, food. She does not mention anything about food preference. Okay. The next personal information. She talks about herself, mentioning that she is busy studying but also enjoys sport. So she enjoy playing basketball and swimming. Okay, this transport is she asks about the best way to get from the airport to the family's house. This is could you tell me best way to getting from. Okay, and hobbies. Hobbies it she share she enjoys reading, playing basketball, and swimming. Okay. Number three, read study skill. Read Burkus email again. There are uh, 12 mistakes, capital letter, full stops, question marks, and spelling. Find and correct them. Okay, and study skill, checking your writing. Every time you write, okay. Number three, I am answer. My answer is accommodation. In accommodation, this double M spelling is mistake. Okay. Next, London. L. Alphabet L is capitalization mistake. Next, English. English is capitalization is mistake. Okay, the next is school and next year high. School, missing comma. This is punctuation, missing comma, capitalization mistake. Okay, in next, university study. University study. This is punctuation is grammar issue. The truth is university to study, not university study. Okay. Next, works is is false and is true is work, not uh as subject. Word agreement mistake. Sports I uh sports I punctuation is missing period capitalization mistake. And this I and sport. Okay. Next swimming. Double M subjects spelling mistake. Next club with a swimming pool. Club with a swimming pool. Punctuation is missing period at the end of the sentence. Okay, and July. Capitalization mistake and arrive. Not ARRIVS, but this is okay. This is ARRIFES. Subject spelling is mistake. Okay, and head through is capitalization mistake. And Burku Sancha, this alphabet of B is capitalization mistake. Okay. Number 4, writing an informal email. Imagine you are going to stay with a family for a short course. Write them an email. Write about 100 words. Okay. Say you exit their over of a room. Tell them about your studies and your hobbies and give them information about arrival and ask for information you would like. Okay, check your okay. This accommodation message from Tiara sent 20 May 2026, okay, to Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Subject accommodation, okay. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Smith, I am happy to accept your offer of a room. I really appreciate your hospitality and I am excited about my stay with you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara and I want to go to Oxford University to study an exchange. I spend a lot of time uh, reading and writing. I also like singing and listening to music in my free time. And I will arrive on 1 June at 8 at London Heathrow LHR. Could you please let me know the best way to get from the airport to your house? If there is any information you need from me, please let me know. Looking forward to meeting you soon. Best wishes, Tiara. Okay. Next is about vocabulary development dictionary word. Number one, put the following word into alphabetical order as quickly as you can. Compare your order with a partner. Okay, in this, uh, my answer is accommodation and B, biography, brainstorm, computer, dictionary, keyboard, pronunciation, punctuation, scans, study, technology, voice, vocabulary, and writing. Okay, in number two, here is an entry for the Oxford Student Dictionary. Label the parts of the entry 1 to 5 using the words in the book. The box, okay, in part of speech, definition, pronunciation, sample sentence, and stress mark. Okay, this is accommodation. Stress mark is number one. Is this is this is stress mark. Okay, number two, pronunciation. Pronunciation is this is and part of speech. Part of speech is noun and definition. Definition is accommodation is a place for to live or stay. An example sentence is number five. Is accommodation before buying this house. Number three, look at the word card. What five pieces of information does it give you about the word study? This word is study. Study is this is pronunciation, and this is a meaning to spend time learning something. This meaning of study. This is pronunciation of study. This is a part of speech. Study is transitive verb, studying and study. And this is example sentence of study. I'm studying biologists. Okay. This is a word association, related word or content. Study as verb and noun. Okay. This number 4, make word cards for the underlined words in 1 to 6. Use your dictionary. Okay. This is my answer is number 1. The word is chemical. Chemical. Chemical part of speech is noun and adjective. Next pronunciation is chemical, and meaning is chemical in noun, a substance used in or produced by a chemical process. In adjective, chemical is related to chemistry or the interaction of substance. Okay, example in noun. The factory produce dangerous chemical. In adjective, she is studying chemical reaction in her lab. Okay, related word, chemistry, chemist, and chemically. Okay. Number 2 word is scan. We scan a timetable to get the information we want. This is scan. Scan part of speech is verb and noun. And pronunciation in scan. Scan. Meaning verb. Scan is to look over quickly in order to find specific information. In noun, scan is a quick look or examination or of something. An example sentence, verb, she scanned the text for important details. In the noun, the doctor reviewed the scan of my lungs. Okay, relate words, scanner and scanning. Number 3 word is punctuation. Correct punctuation is okay. Punctuation is part of speech is noun. Pronunciation is punctuation. Okay, meaning is the marks used in writing to separate sentence and clarify meanings. Okay, commas and period. Example. Good punctuation is essential for clear writing. Number 2 is he forgot to use punctuation in his email. Relate words. Punctu punctuate, punctual, and punctuator. Okay. In number four, the word is dictionary. This is always check in a dictionary. Dictionary is noun. Dic- dictionary. Dictionary. Okay. Meaning. Dictionary is a book or online resource that lists words, their meanings, and pronunciation and other details. Okay. Example. She used a dictionary to find the definition of the word. An English dictionary helps learners improve vocabulary. Relate words, lexicon, thesaurus, and glossary. Okay. In number five, word is biography. 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 Okay. Part of speech is noun. Pronunciation is biography. And meaning is a written account of someone's life. Example, he wrote a biography of a famous scientist. I love reading biography of historical figure. Relate words. Autobiography, biography, and biographical. Number six. Word is literature. Part of speech is noun. Pronunciation is literature. And meaning is written works, especially those considered to have artistic value. An example sentence, she is studying English literature in college. And classical literature includes works from ancient Greece and Rome. Relate words, literary, literate, and literarians. Okay. In section is review. Complete the visa application form about you. Okay, this visa application. First name is Tiara, middle name is Aziza. Date of birth, um, 13 October. Okay, sorry, October 20 2004. Place birth Bandung, nationality Indonesian, passport number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Place of issue is Jakarta, Indonesia. Sex female. Um, Title is Miss and home address Jalaya Bandung. And email address is zviza85@gmail.com. In home or mobile telephone number, this is. And reason for visit is study. Duration of visit up to the 1 month. Okay, that arrival is 1 June 2000 to 26. Okay, date of departure is 10 April 2026. An address in Country Wellington Square, Oxford, English Rhyme. Number 2, this is my answer of number 2. Use your dictionary to correct the spelling of the underlined words. And this one, she paid for her books with a credit card. Okay, paid. Uh, this is correct. Yes, paid. Paid is the correct past tense of pay because the word paid is exists but is only used in nautical contexts such as paid or row, which is uncommon. Okay, number 2, he bought a new car last month. Okay, how is the correct past tense of buy? The word buy is incorrect in standard English. Okay, number 3. What subject are you studying? Studying, not studying, is studying. When adding in to verbs ending in y and the y changes to I. Okay, so study becomes studying, not studying. Number 4, advice, not S, but C. Advice is noun meaning guidance, okay, or recommendation, while advice is a verb meaning to give advice. The correct form here is the noun advice. ADVICE, not SE. Okay. In number 5, applied verb ending in Y. Press preceded by a consonant change Y to I before adding ed. So apply become applied. Okay, in number 6, selves. In selves, many singular nouns ending in F or FE change to PES in their plural form. The correct plural of self is selves. Okay. In number 3, my answer is review the text and vocabulary in Unit 1. Choose at least 5 words that are new for you. Make word cards for them. Okay. This one is brainstorm. Pronunciation is brainstorm. Part of speak is verb, noun, or noun. And definition, brainstorm is to think of many different ideas quickly, especially in a group. Okay, example sentence. The students brainstormed ideas for their group project. And related words is idea, creativity, discussion, and planning. Okay, number 2, this word is stress mark. Pronunciation is stress mark. Part of speech is noun. And definition, stress mark is a symbol in a dictionary showing which part of a word in a pronoun pronounced with more with more em- emphasis. Okay, emphasis. Example sentence. The word accommodation has a stress mark before the third syllable. Words is pronunciation, emphasis, and syllable and dictionary. Okay, in uh number three or word is timetables. Part of speech is noun plural. Definition is timetables, a schedule that shows when events or activities happen. Example sentence, our school timetables are updated every semester. In related words is schedule, plan, calendar, and routine. Next is accommodation. Pronunciation is accommodation. Part of speech is noun. And definition of accommodation is a place to live or stay, especially for a short period. Example sentence, she booked book an accommodation near the university for her studies. A related word is housing, lodging, hotel, and residence. Okay, and the last word is punctuation. Punctuation pronunciation is punctuation. Part of speech is noun. Definition is punctuation is the marks as in writing to separate sentence and clarify meaning. Example sentence. Correct punctuation makes writing easier to understand. Related words. Grammar, period, comma, and sentence. Okay, everyone. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.